If you followed the other videos about the KSF3 from Metallic Elephant in this series, you'll probably be an expert printer by now. But we all have bad days, right? And sometimes things don't go to plan. We panic and we twiddle things that we shouldn't. And the main thing is, don't panic, because most things really can be sorted. So in this video, I'll show you how to correct some of the most common issues that users may experience. A common issue is the handle failing to hit the stop, like this. Sometimes things won't print, and the screws at the back get undone too loose or too tight. The best thing to do is a reset, and this is how to recalibrate the screws at the back. Pull the handle down and wind the setting screw as far as it will go whilst moving the chase handle. This is to square the die plate and temporarily hold it in place. Now tighten the outside screws. It's essential to tighten from opposite corners rather than top to bottom until they are as tight as possible. Now the outside screws are holding the plate in place, turn the setting screw anti-clockwise 6 times. Lift the handle up and turn each of the outside screws clockwise 1/4 turn, following the opposite corners technique as before. Pull the handle down and you should hear a click. There's not too much regular maintenance to do on your KSF3. I suggest keeping it oiled using the elephant oil provided, and don't worry, no elephants were harmed in the making of this oil. You'll need to oil here on the back and here on the side around once a month. In the winter, you may have to review where your press is located. The press needs to be where you feel comfortable, so not too hot or too cold. If it's humid, the press could rust, and the same applies with damp. These hot foil presses, they like a little bit of love. Now, if you're still having issues or you've got any missing or broken parts, please do contact Metallic Elephant. They offer full support for their presses, and if there's ever an issue, the team are on hand to guide you. Metallic Elephant really want to help you make it shiny.